All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. It's great to be with you today. What an amazing day. What an amazing day. Did you take advantage of all these positions? Everything dramatically up today. Fantastic. I bought the dips, the biggest trade ever on my channel, and one of the biggest surprises and shock trades on the stock market ever. Last night, did you see it in the closing bell? Amazon last night flipped on its head in seconds, and I made $404 on one share in 1 second. Ask me about that if you're interested. All right, let's get straight into the trades. Okay, evening bubble, how are you, mate? Lovely to have you here. Wow, we've had an amazing day today. It's been fantastic. We're so excited. It's been wonderful. Everything has gone to plan. We've stuck to our ground. We've doubled down. We reinvested. Done lots of micro trades. Good afternoon, the Beetle Sean. How are you? Lovely to have Beetle Sean here. Found out today it's Beetle Sean's birthday next week, and he is a silver member. So, would you like, Beetle Sean, a concert? Would you like, you never said this morning whether you would. You can have, you don't have to have. I can just sing you happy birthday in the show if you're fine with that. But as a silver member, you are entitled to your very own 20-minute concert, which I will create for you. Just send me in a picture of yourself and I will create it for you. All right. Great stuff. Let's bring everybody in. So, oh, Dave Mottram is here. Dave Mottram, we missed you. We had a great giveaway this morning. We had a record number. We had a a chat rate of now 142. It absolutely went crazy. The third person won. And Dave Mottram, it's lovely to see you back here. Dave Mottram is one of our moderators, and it's lovely to have you back, Dave. It really is. It's been an incredible few days. I'm good, thank you. After a hectic week, not too hectic, I hope. All right, let's bring up the overlays. Why? What's been going on? What's been going on with you? Very exciting news as well to share with you. Under 3 minutes now, 2 minutes 55 seconds. Of 24 hours a day, I get a follower on TikTok, and all my silver members, you tag me, you follow me here, I follow you over there, and I post you, I tag you in all my viral posts. Really growing very quickly now. YouTube is knocking over 15 to 20 subscribers a day now, and we've got a big week coming up. February the 17th, I'm going to be live on Restream to the world. Hundreds of thousands of people live in this show. Hundreds of thousands. We're so excited about it. Restream. It's how I'm streaming my stuff right now. It goes directly from YouTube onto Facebook, onto my website, onto TikTok, onto Twitter, multiple websites. All through Restream, and we're going to be doing that later on in the week, just the 17th of February. Not long to go now, just over 2 weeks. Very exciting. Sorry I missed you all this week. I've been really ill. Dave Mottram hasn't been well. We are terribly sorry to hear that. A lot of people haven't been well. We've been seeing that. We had quite low numbers at the beginning of the week. We've had Balasir not well. We've had Martin not well. We've had Alicia and Patricia from Italy, not very well. I was out one day with my back. We had Muzanella, not very well. Bill's not very well today. He's got an eye problem. We've got all sorts going on with everybody. So, I don't know what that, I was really worried. I kept ploughing on thinking, half of my audience aren't here. I can't believe it. Over on TikTok, I want to welcome all of you to the show. I was with you before the show started, telling you all about what we're doing here on YouTube. And I hope you'll come and join me because the action is here on YouTube, as I explained to you before. So it's lovely to have you with me. And thanks for joining us over there on TikTok. Lovely to have you here every day. But the best experience is on YouTube. Yeah, we had our best giveaway, and I made a commitment today as well. All right, we are growing so quickly that I'm going to give away $1,000. Yep, $1,000 when we hit 100,000 subscribers. And that isn't going to be that long with the rate we're going. To my members only, of course. That's what I'm going to do. It's going to be great. Can't wait for that day. Can you imagine it? Can you imagine how exciting that's going to be? I missed your concert for Bill. We raised $1,500 for Bill. $1,500 live in the show. We gave it away. It was absolutely great. Shall I show you how we did it? If he wasn't here, I think I may have kept the... yes, I did. I kept it. I think I've still got this. This is how we did it. This is how we announced the final figure for Bill. Are you ready? This is how we did it. All right. Here it comes. The final figure for Bill's fundraiser. Oh, yeah. There it is. 1,386 plus a couple $100 in his Fundly. That's how we did it. We got the cash. We're sending it off. I've just not been able to send it off yet because I'm stuck in the house because we got ice and snow everywhere. Absolutely amazing. And that's what my members get over here on YouTube by being part of the show. It was amazing. There we go. Anyway, fantastic day. It was really, really great. What a great day that was. Anyway, what we're going to do now is well done, Martin. You are genuinely a great guy. I do my best. I do my best, mate. I appreciate it very much indeed. We're here just to help people, right? I missed the concert for Bill. I did watch the YouTube where you revealed the various totals. Okay, you received for the guests at the gig. Wow, what a result that was. Yep. If you are a silver member, you can have a fundraiser. If it's for charity or something like that, we'll do that for you. So literally for $2 more than a bronze member, you could have that happen to you. But it has to be for a good cause. But you do get a gig, whether it's a fundraiser or not is different. Or you could fundraise for someone else if you wanted to. That's up to you as well. All right. Wow, yes, it was amazing, Dave. Really great, right? And that's what you get as a member. Silver membership was a good deal. You ain't kidding. You ain't kidding. He pays $6, and he ends up with $1,500. That pays for his subscription for the next 200 years, doesn't it? I like how he says that. Silver membership was a good deal. Yes, it was. It's every membership is here. Remember, I'm here to help and promote everyone, and that's what it's all about. And as we grow, everyone grows together. That's what I'm trying to do for everyone. So if you're over there on TikTok, come and join us on YouTube. This is where it's all happening, and it's great. I love it. Okay, so let me just try a couple of effects a minute. Let me see what happens if I do that. Let me have a look. I'm just trying a little light effect at a minute. I wonder if that's good or bad. Is that good or bad? Let me see. Now I'm trying to make it better for my TikTokers because they don't get to see me on. Yeah. Anyway, silver membership, better profits than trade in the markets. Yeah. Well, not really. We had the biggest ever trade in history. Not just my channel, ever. Did you see it? The closing bell last night. Did you see it live last night? Just before we did the Amazon call live, I had the biggest trade ever and probably the most dubious suspect trade in the history of the stock market. Shall I show you what happened for those of you who don't know? Right. Let's go back 3 months. Before this crash started, right, Amazon was worth $3,600. It sold off, right? And then just before the earnings call, that happened. Over 20% drop instantly. 3.5 all the way down to 2.5. Well, that can't be right, can it? You can't, I mean, that can't be right, can it? $1,000 off Amazon. So I decided for the very first time to use leverage because I thought that's insane. That's a mistake. That's manipulation. That is falsifying figures. That cannot be real. So I used leverage to buy a single trade of Amazon, $3,400 with no risk, no doubt whatsoever. Even though I say never use leverage, when it's as blatant as written on the wall like that, then maybe it's time to use it. So I decided to do it with the full intention. When that happened, which it did, in 1 second, I sold it. I made $404 on one share of Amazon in 1 second. And I sold it, and I don't care if it kept on going up. There's no, I mean, this is manipulation. This is not real. And this is what happened on Amazon yesterday. Unbelievable. Greatest trade in the history of the stock market ever. So there you go. 1 second, $404. Now, if I'd kept it in, admittedly, I'd have one share of Amazon now doing extremely well. But I was very happy to clear it because I did not want to owe the money on Robinhood, and I just sold it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. There we go. I have a tiny bit of leverage left that I want to clear for something else I did at the same time. But you can see today's market, I'm up 2.5%. Absolutely fantastic. Also what I did, I bought Meta. Another corruption. Look at that. Facebook, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. A blue chip company lost 30% of its value. I think someone said it was $500 billion or something like that in seconds. So again, I bought 10 shares of Meta, and I hope you guys did the same, because if you follow the 24-hour live stream, I tell you everything going live. If you follow me on TikTok, if you follow me on YouTube, all these places, I announce these things when they happen. So the information was there for you. It always will be. Just make sure that you, listen in, tune in. Ring the bell. Don't miss out on anything. So I bought here, and today, no surprise, guess what? Moving back up. Wow, what a surprise. What a surprise that Facebook isn't really worth 30% of its original price. I mean, really? Who ever thought that? Anyway, so I bought back in again, and consequently, I have some now seriously, ridiculously cheap stock right now. I sold Lucid, lowered my averages down to 26 out of 29. I'm still waiting for my portfolio to come back to green. You've got to keep moving, Bubble. You've got to keep reading, studying, and looking what's going on. You have to keep moving. There is so much to digest at the moment, so much going on. It's really important to stay on top of it. I mean, there is so much going on. Let me just adjust my settings a minute. Flip your video. What does that do? Flip your video. Mirror your video. I'm just playing around here for a minute, seeing if I can make things better. I don't think I can. I think it's as good as I can get it. It is. I try to make it as good. All right, anyway. I have no available cash. No, I understand that. But sometimes you take a loss on something if you see the opportunity is greater elsewhere. So now, even though, let's get perspective, I reached 58,000. 58,000, we're now down at 40. That's $18,000 I've lost. 18,000. Have I lost $18,000? No. What I've done is I've bought lower priced stocks that are worth a lot less, but I have a lot more of them. Okay? So when the price bounces up, and I'll give you an example, SPCE, I used to own 15 shares. I now own 920. So when the stocks go up, this stock here, this one stock here, this year could go, and I expect it to go to $100,000 market value. This one right here. Now, I won't receive that amount of money because as it keeps going up, I'll keep selling off the top, because what will happen is, right now, Virgin Galactic is 19% of my portfolio. As it starts going over 25, 26, I'll trim all the way up. So I won't actually have 100 grand. I'll probably make about 60, 70, something like that, and I'll trim all the way up. How can I get Robinhood if I live in the UK, Martin? Justin Hargreaves. All right, we are a family of traders here, and we've got a protocol. Because everything we do here is real, genuine, honest. This is my own money, and so on and so forth. So the first thing that we do, Justin, is we're here to help and support everyone. And I'm sponsored by people, and I give away free stocks, free crypto. I've got loads of things I can give you. But the first thing you got to do when you come into the family is let us know where you're from, and introduce yourself to everybody. Get to know everybody. Tell everybody where you're from. So, here's me. I am from the UK. This is my studio here in Texas, Dallas, Texas. This is where I am right now. But I'm actually from Cornwall in England. This is my TV studio. And every night I sing live concerts here and do live shows for people and stuff like that. But during the evening, during the daytime, I trade. So that's me. I'm not a financial advisor, but I see the financial markets in a slightly different way. I look at charts because it's my job to look at charts, but I don't go on them. I go on people, and I've been an entertainer since I was 4 years old, professional for 37 years, and I believe it's all about reading people because it's people that manipulate the stock. It's not the charts. Not the companies, it's not the stock itself. It's people that manipulate the market, and you have to read people and see where the world's going and how people are changing and adapting to things. That's what's going on. So let us know where you're from. All my team are doing it. All my team, Alex has come in and he's introducing himself from Milton Keynes, home of the code breakers. Yeah. Mr. Cumberbatch, what was it? The Enigma game, right? Ace Angelo Daniga is here. Let's bring everybody on the screen. Here's Alex, our sponsor. And as we get a few more people in, we will let everybody know about Nudge It, Budget, Move It, our sponsor at the moment. We can have more sponsors if you want to promote be in the show. We will guarantee you instantly more subscribers to YouTube. Guarantee people will check you out on your website. Guarantee you'll make friends and everything else, and you'll do business. We guarantee it. The imitation game, that's it. It happens straight away. And just to prove it to you how effective it is to be there we go. There we go. Justin Hargreaves. Hi guys, I'm from Preston. Lovely stuff from Preston in the UK. I've done a theatre in Preston. We toured with One Night in Vegas for 8 years. Every major theatre in the UK. And Preston, Milton Keynes, the Milton Keynes, what was it called? Civic Theatre? Was it called that one? 2,500 seater theatre, I think it was called. Hertfordshire, we've done Hereford House. Home Lacey, did that for Warner's. Beatles Sean's going, I know where you mean. There you go. So there we go. There's Justin Hargreaves. He's got a nice warm welcome. So Justin, first thing I want to give you, before I introduce our sponsor, is first of all, where is it? The all links button. I've got lots of stuff I have here from my sponsors and my brokerages to give away. Here is the all links button. It's got our Discord group where you can get support for free. It's all free. Discord group. We've got the Twitter, the Facebook, all the different things, all the different services, all the different giveaways. Now, you asked about how do I get free Robinhood. You can get Robinhood right now, but it is coming to the UK. And when it does, I will tell you. And when it does, you will get free stock. I will make sure of it. All right? It's not in England yet, but we have other brokerages that you can use on the all links button. Okay, we have more on the all links button. Go and check them out. We have WEBULL, we have eTORO, we have COINBASE. If you use COINBASE and use my referral, you get $10 of free Bitcoin. You fancy that? Of course you do. Why wouldn't you? There he is. There's the link. I'll give you the link, but the link is under the all links button. All right. If you become a member to our channel, you get lots and lots of benefits, including a free concert if you're silver member. Bronze members get a happy birthday on their birthdays. If you're silver, you also get me to follow all of your social media, put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel, tag you and correspond with you in all social media, all of it. Everything that you follow me on, I follow you on. And it's not sub for sub. That's a waste of time. We don't do that. I'm a professional YouTuber and professional TikToker. It's how I live, how I pay my bills, is I actively talk to you and engage with you. So as I grow, you grow. Okay. If you want to become a member, here is the invitation to join. And we go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Plus, we now do the after hours earnings calls as well. So there's the invitation to join. Every Friday in the morning, you just missed it, we do the cash giveaways as well. We like to give people prizes on Friday. And when I get to 100,000 subscribers, it's going to be $1,000. Oh, yes. All right. So there we go. It goes up all the time. Everyone's welcome to win. I love that. Right, let me mention now our sponsor. From silver upwards, you get this privilege, but here we go. And we all support each other. So play the game. Just 2 days ago, Alex Hunt, our sponsor, on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Here it is, the Day Trader Look. He is here, featured right on the front because he's a sponsor. He had 114 subscribers. We've got him 14 subscribers in 48 hours, I think it is. If you click on that, 128, I'm going to share his link. And as a sponsor, for $10, he can get a full commercial for his business. I'll bring up his website and talk about it and show everybody. It's like a 30-second to a minute commercial for $10. Any of any sponsors who are sponsoring the channel can do that at any point. When you think it's busy enough, you think enough people are watching, you think, oh, okay, it's worth an investment, I'll do it. That's there, right. Now, everybody subscribe to his channel. Let's see if we can get him to 130. We'll come back in a minute and we'll visit that and we'll see how he's done. All right. There we go. And if you become a member, this is what happens. Oh, the Day Trader became a member, and if you subscribe, this is what happens. Oh yeah. Or if you just want to support the channel and show off to everybody how wonderful you are, in the super chat, this is what happens. Oh, the day trader donated $61 to myself. That's good. And every Friday is our giveaway competition every single Friday. But you have to be a member to be in that. Right. Let's get back to the stocks right now and watch what's going on. Oh, we're taking off again. Exactly as predicted. Right, there we go. Facebook is now up 0.63 today. Fantastic, great. Knew that was going to happen. Rivian is up 2.83. I got 46 shares of Rivian. Very, very nice indeed. That's recovering. Lucid's very, very nice. That's great as well. Amazon is on fire with that superb one-day event in the history of the world. Look at that. Oh, I don't regret selling it. Of course I don't. Right, I'm looking to sell a Tesla right now. There we go, 933. Now, because I've got a tiny bit of leverage I want to clear off. There it is. I owe 807. And Tesla is getting very close now to a trade. I might sell off one in a minute. How can I get Robinhood if I live? Oh, I've answered that one. Birmingham, there we go. Let's bring everyone's comments. Birmingham, Hertfordshire. Because you like Virgin Galactic, you are my 404 page. Flying in space. Ah, what is that? What is that? What is that? You're trying to get me to open your website up, aren't you? Because you like Virgin Galactic, you are on my 404 flying page, flying in space. LOL. Oh, we got a new member. Ace has just become a member to the channel. He's a bronze member. Welcome, everybody. Welcome Ace into the show. He's now a member. Remind us when it's your birthday. You must tell me when it's your birthday. Okay? And if you ever decide, well, you can check out all the perks. There's too many perks to mention. There are too many things to talk about. Hey, Captain Fantastic Martin Pianoman, how are you, mate? How are you? How are you? How are you? So, where is that page? That's very sneaky. That's very sneaky. That's very, 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 very sneaky. Nudge it budget. He's trying to get me to show his website and do a promotion for him without paying $10. I like his style. I like it. So let me have a quick look. Hang on. Where is it on your website? The rules are the rules. I'm not going to break the rules, even though it's very clever and I'm tempted. I can't, because others will say you didn't give me a commercial for free. I gave you one already for free because I was 2 days late on your sponsor. Now, where is it? What's a 404 page? I kind of know what that is, but I'm not 100% certain. Web design. Just tell me where it is. Wow, clean scrub video, teleport. Just tell me. Let's have a look. Oh, Carlo Petronell has just joined us. Any age that doesn't exist. Any age that doesn't exist. Age that doesn't. I don't know what that means. Any age that doesn't exist. Does anybody know what he's saying? I often get I miss out on these things. I'm trying to see. 404 is an error page. Well, yeah, that's what I was thinking. But how do you get to an error page then? How do you get to an error page? If the website's working, how do you get to it? My birthday has passed already. When was it your birthday, Ace? When was it your birthday? When was it? I'm looking at his website, thinking, how do I get an error page? Right, if you just joined us, smash the like button. We need 20 likes in the next 1 minute. Right, I'm going to put a minute clock up. We need 20 likes in the next minute. So let me bring up the timer. Last November. Come on, everybody. I need 20 likes. Alex, you are trying to post a web link so it'll appear in the chat. No, he can't. Alex, he's not a moderator. Page doesn't exist. The page doesn't exist. You'll get the 404 page. Unless you're a moderator. That's right. We need 20 likes. We've got 17. 30 seconds to go. If you can sing for my son, that'd be awesome. Is it his birthday? When's it his birthday? 24, 23. Anything wrong? Okay. We need 3 more likes in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. We got 17, 6, 5, 4, 3. Are we going to do it? Are we going to do it? 7. No, not tonight. Tomorrow. Oh, now that's okay then. That is perfectly okay. Because 18 likes. Yes, I've always said to my members, all right, you can have a birthday song for you or a loved one the day before, the day of, and the day after. Timothy Adams is here. We've had a record-breaking day today. All right, so I will do that, Ace. You are a member now. So what he's saying is / I'll go GG, I don't know, GH, whatever. I'll do an error. This page doesn't exist. 404. Ha ha, yes, I see it. He's put me. Ha, love it. Oh, this is good. Oh, I will give you this. I will give you this. I want this. I want this page. I want what you've done there for me. I want that on my screen, okay? You've been very, very clever to get me to do this because I am totally right. I'm going to put this on my screen, okay? Very, very cunning. Very cunning. He's getting me to promote his website and his business without paying for it. Very cunning, but I'm so excited I'm going to do it. He's got me. Look at me. I'm in space, everybody. Look at me. Virgin Galactic, the day trader. I am floating in space. Look, that's me. Look at that. That is me right there. Where is it? That way. No, that way. That way. No, that way. There. Check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, the day trader is in space. So how can I use that? How can I use that? That's brilliant. Well, I can use it like that, can't I? I mean, basically, I can use it like that. Houston, we have a problem. We are lost. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Everybody, look, I'm in space with Virgin Galactic. This is the sort of stuff that you can get. Oh, look, I'm going to give him I'm going to give him a commercial. I tell you what, Alex, this is going to cost you you got to give me a super chat of some, even 99 cents, because I'm so impressed. I'm going to do it. Right. There's Virgin Galactic. There is me, the day trader in space. So here we go. Right. If you want a website built, this is going to cost you at least $1. Right. All right. This is, I'm going to put the link in the chat. If you want a website and you want to float through space like that, plus everything else, there's no other company I've ever seen that does a guarantee of money back guarantee. This is our sponsor, right? He will give you your money back if he doesn't deliver excellence. So they will strive and they will go and go and go until they do. So they're not stupid. They're not going to give you money back without really, really trying first. So you know you're going to get a great you're going to get a great website, right? He has budgets for everyone. I've given everybody the link in the chat. There it is. Go and check it out. If you want a website designed to grow your business from one of our members who will support you, yes, you look at this and go, I can't afford this. This is a lot of money. I know that looks a lot of money. It's actually not for a website. All right. It actually isn't for a website, but he has told people in the live chat, we have budgets for everyone. You might not have this much money, but you might be able to get a service from Alex. And I'm sure, I wouldn't be surprised. In fact, I'm going to say it right now. Alex, I'm going to put my head on the line for you right now. I'm going to put my head on the line for you. And I'm going to say, I wouldn't be surprised if me and Alex can work out a deal that members to the Day Trader get a special deal. All right? I wouldn't be surprised if we could work that out, that members get a special deal. I'm gonna commit to that. Even though Alex is going, whoa, it's my business. I bet you any money you like, I can sort something out where members get a special deal and special treatment. All right? Because that's what this show's about. You got to help everybody. No one's excluded. So there we go. Everybody, check this out. Go and check out the website. You got a great guy who supports the Day Trader, and he's our sponsor at the moment. And we hope he'll be a sponsor forever, of course. There's his number. If you want the number, you've got the website. Go and check it out. 01908 695 158. That's a UK number. But remember, you can have... I like all this, how it all moves, look. I like all that moves. I'm pushing the sky, look. I'm pushing the sky up and down. Like it. I could play with that for hours. And... even though they're in the UK, it makes no difference. And the great thing about it is, if you use websites designed, nudge it, budget, move it for your service, you can talk to Alex every day in the live chat. So you can always make sure he's on top of it. New wow section, LOL. New wow section. What's the wow section? All right, I'll check it out. Oh, you're pushing your luck now. You got to give me a tip in the live chat. This is the wow section. What's going on in the wow section? Wow, clean, scrub, shave. Let's have a look at this. All right. We like funky sites, get scrubbed. Oh my gosh, look at that. Car wash services. We like funky sites, get scrubbing with these special rates. Car wash services, 100% hand wash. I like it. Wash me. Oh, hang on a minute. What's here then? Look at this. Look at this. Oh, this is very proactive. Look at this. I'm actually doing this. This is how good this website is. Look at that. I've just fixed that girl. Look. This guy knows what he's doing. He's got the latest technology. Anyway, I've given you way too much of a commercial. It's supposed to be $10 for 30 seconds. All right, you had like 2 minutes there. So let's get back to the trades. Right, there we go. Everyone go and subscribe. Wash the car. Oh, gosh. Go on then. I'll wash the car as well. Only because I'm enjoying myself. Hang on. Clean, scrub, shave. All right, I'll do it. I want to wash the car. Right, you ready? Okay, quick one. Here we go. Wash the car. Oh, I like this. Go and check it out. That's my favourite car as well, BMW. Even though I'm an electric man, I do like... That's quite cool, isn't it? I want one of these. I want my website to do this. That gets engagement on your website, right? Gets engagement on your website, and that's what you want. I had to wash the whole thing. I know, look at that. Wash the car. I like it. Very good, Alex. I like it. Right, back to the trades. Brilliant. What did we say here? Interactive advertising. Yes. Yes. Very, very good. I know my value. and I gave it away there. I was very, very nice. Pumping RN. What's RN? Robinhood, did you mean? Right, we're up now 2.5%. We're about to do day trader of the day. We got a lot going on today. We got day trader of the day. I love it. So did we get Alex any more subscribers? I bet we did. 128. Refresh the screen. Zoom in. And we've now got him 130. This is the best YouTube channel in the world. If you're a member, you just get more and more and more. Can you believe it? Why would you not be watching our channel? I mean, seriously. Alex's subscribers have all come from the day trader. Hey, I love it. Right, there we go. Let's get straight into it. Ooh la la. I love it. Interactive advertisement. Right. What did Timothy say? Timothy Adams is here. Drone is missing in message. Video for 5 seconds. I will try and do that in a bit, mate. I've got to obviously give time out now to sponsors and gold and work my way down. So if you know, everybody gets exactly what their membership is. I try to give everybody extra if I can, but I can only do so much. All right, guys? Okay, so let me clear the screen a minute. Good day in crypto, up 180% in Link, 20% leverage on KuCoin, put along in Bitcoin, up 100% from last night. Nice one, Timothy. Congratulations to you. Good trading. Yes, Bitcoin now up 8% today. Absolutely fan-flippin-tastic. We knew it was going to happen, and it did, and it is. And as soon as the big high-risk stocks do well, it seems that the staples like Coke do not. And this is why I invest in high-risk stocks, because the rewards are higher, but I don't see them as high-risk stocks. When everyone's saying this is high risk, I don't see it as high risk. Not at all. Not at all. All right, I have great oh, we just gained a subscriber. Thanks, guys. I've now got 2,104. Thanks a lot for that. So, where are we? I knew what I was going to do. We got the day trader of the day coming up in a second. So, we need to do a very, very quick ad. We've got an ad. Skip it. Here it comes 10 seconds from now. Hello, I'm back. I love that Virgin Galactic thing. I love that. I love that. If you can do me something, Alex, like a little the day trader, just do a little bit more with that. I'll put that into the show regularly because I think it's fantastic. That's what I like. It's clever, that. I like it very much. I love it. Right. Now then, moving on. Thank you, Dave. Thank you, Dave, for deleting the silly comments that we get. I appreciate that, Dave. That's very good. Thank you very much indeed, mate. Thank you so much for doing that. He's a good moderator, is our Dave. Have you noticed, Bill, your account is all good now? You know when you were deleting everybody all the time? See, it was your account was corrupt, but now it's fantastic. Over there on TikTok, if you want to be part of the show, you're missing out so much. Just follow me and support me. It's all you got to do. But if you want to be part of the main show, come and join us on YouTube. The link is at the top. You see the little profile at the top? Click on that and you'll be right with us. All right, now then. We've got 18 likes now. This is not bad. Much better. We've had a couple of quiet days, but we're doing better now. So, my next trade is going to be Meta, not this afternoon. Crypto and stock are high today. They are. They're doing very well, but remember, they're nowhere near where they were and where they will be in a few months' time. This is merely a drop in the bucket. If we look back, my portfolio should be at 58,000. That's where it should be now, and unfortunately, we're not there. We are back. Look, we're back here. We should be up here. We should be about here now, $60,000, and we're down here. So it's a good recovery. But we're not there yet. So what you need to be doing is buying dips, repositioning, getting yourself in a stronger position. So when it turns around, you are in a very, very strong position to take advantage of that. All right. It's very, very important that you do that. Right. I'm going to turn this round for a minute, see if this works. Right. For my TikTokers, I'm going to turn this round. This is for your benefit now. All right. A lot of you asked for this. So I'm going to try and do it for you. I'm going to flip the camera around because you've been watching my, there you go. You've been watching the main screen. Now, this is where we are live right now. So we're having a really, really good day today on YouTube. We're having, in fact, a fantastic day. Very, very exciting. We're loving it. And you need to be over here on YouTube, though, if you want to be part of the main show. Okay? The link's in the profile at the top here. And this is the main studio. This is what everyone can see right now, all right, on YouTube. And we're just preparing our next set of trades, and we're quite excited about what's going to happen. I'm looking to sell a Tesla. If Tesla can pop up another 4%, and it could do it in the after hours tonight, then I will sell one right off the top, and I will clear that leverage which I've got down there. All right, you can see 800 down there. So Facebook is doing what we needed to do. Of course, we're not here tomorrow. Saturday, Sunday. We're back on Monday. Are you performing for for everybody today? Right, I forgot. Ace. I completely forgot. I need to just do something for Ace. I am going to do this now for Ace. Ace has just become a member. He's a bronze member, which means he is entitled, and all the new members, by the way, I will add you to the ticker when we go off air, okay? I'll update you to the ticker. Here it is. Let me bring in our bronze members for you right now, right? As a bronze member, you get a happy birthday song. So, Ace, this is for you right now. Your son's birthday tomorrow. What's his name? What's your son's name? And we're going to do happy birthday for your son. Are we? Are we going to do happy birthday for your son? So, first of all, I need you to give me his name. And is he around? How old is he? Is it tomorrow? Is that Jalem? He's 4 years old. Is that Halem? Halem. Did I pronounce it correctly? Halem. Is that correct? Have I pronounced that right? He's 4 years old. Is he around? Hi, Paddy. Good evening. Hey, Alicia and Patricia in the house. Absolutely great. We absolutely love that. Hi, Jalem. Have I got that right? Jalem. Got to get it right. Jalem. Hang on a minute. Did I do this for you last year? Was it the same guy last year? Has it been a year already? Has it been a year already? I can't remember. He's at home, unfortunately. Oh, he's not with you. Okay, well, can you send in the link? If we do it right, everybody, we're going to... Yes, I thought so. I remember last year, I was thinking, this name rings a bell. Right. Okay, so Ace, Jalem, I remember. That was my other son. I remember. I thought there was something familiar here. All right. So, what we're going to do, hang on a minute. I got people here inviting to be on my show. It's quite interesting on TikTok. They're sort of sending me messages to be on my show. Lovely to have the invitation. Right. So, Jalem, are you able to send in this link? Are you able to show them on your phone or whatever? So what we're going to do, everybody, we've got Ace who's just joined us, and his son is 4 years old tomorrow. So Jalem, everybody in the chat, how many have we got watching now? We've got 12 watching, right? I want a blow-up video. I want everybody to say, happy birthday, Jalem. It's Jeylem. All right? And we're going to have a blowout video. Are you ready? I want everybody to write in Jalem, happy birthday. And I'm going to go to the back of the studio. I've got to turn the camera around for TikTok. Are you ready? Everyone blow up the chat now. This is happy birthday to Jalem. So every single person now in the live chat, hello to Jalem. You can do it on TikTok. I'm going to change the camera on TikTok so we can get to the piano. And I'm going to do this for Jalem. He's 4 years old tomorrow. Are you ready? He's 4 years old tomorrow. It's Jalem. Yes, there's the spelling. Everyone trying to copy it. It's pronounced Jalem, okay? But it's actually Jaheellem. All right, everyone copy and paste that. Happy birthday. Everyone's going to do it for you. All the day traders. They're all family. They're all friends. You ready? We're going to keep our eye on the portfolio, so everyone's watching the stocks and shares. But at the same time, we're going to do Jalem. You ready? He's 4 years old tomorrow. I want copy and paste, copy and paste. I want to see hundreds of people doing it on TikTok and YouTube. You ready? All right, here we go. Let me go to the back of the studio. All right. Okay. So we're going to go over now to this part of the studio and do it. Okay, so let's do that now. We've got to change the lights a little bit. We've got to jig the lights around. You ready? Here we go. This is for Jalem, everybody. Okay, here we go. There we go. Right. Happy birthday, everybody. Let's change the camera now. On TikTok, you're just going to get the back of my head. You've got to be on YouTube if you want to watch the main show. All right. Okay, here we go. Here it is. Happy birthday to Jalem. Let's put on the cat because we're in the piano position. Here we go. All right. Happy birthday to you. No, no, no. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jalem, who's just 4 years old. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Happy birthday. No, to you, do. Happy birthday, Mr. Jalem. Happy birthday to you. He's just 4 years old. Happy birthday to you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Happy birthday to you, no, 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 no. Happy birthday, Mr. Jalem. Happy birthday to you, to you, to you, to you, to you. All right. So as a member, you get happy birthday, Jalem. Happy birthday to you. Your dad just sent me this link, so this request for your birthday. You can watch this today, tomorrow, in 10 years from now, when you're 14 years old. You can see how famous you were on YouTube. Absolutely great. There we go. All right, let's go back to the main part of the studio. Here we go. Here we go. Back over here again now. Piano effects. And there we go. I think that's about right. Back over here again. Now I need to change the camera for TikTok. Hello TikTokers, how you doing? There we go. Put the light back on again. And that's how we do that. Fantastic. All right, so thank you, everybody. You did blow up the chat. That was pretty good. I'm pretty impressed. Well done, everybody. Very, very well done. There you go. I got TikTok all sorted out. There you go. Turn that around a little bit. There you go. Brilliant. Right. We are now just 9 minutes before the bell goes. That was for Jalem. Thank you ever so much, everybody. And thank you ever so much indeed. If you want to Jalem to look special, you can do a super chat. If you want to go in the super chat, you can do a little thing like that. There you go. Or you can become a member or a subscriber. And I hope everybody will do all three. Why not? Over on TikTok. Thank you ever so much indeed. Happy birthday to everybody. You can get that on your birthday if you are here on YouTube. How much profit trading today? A lot today. A lot. I'm up $724 on my main portfolio, but I also made a couple $100 this morning on the trades, which don't reflect right now in the overall portfolio, of course, because I sold those shares and reinvested that money and so on and so forth. But actually, I'm up nearly $1,000 a day. It's been a very, very good day today. But the portfolio now is showing 706. It's 1.77. Very, very nice and very, very happy with that indeed. There we go. Thank you for being part of that. Sent to PP. Sent to PP. How much profit? Personal. Sent to PP. Oh, sent to PayPal. Is that PayPal? Did someone just do something on PayPal? Hang on. Oh! Hey! Can I share that on the screen? Let me have a look. I think I can. Yeah, there's nothing revealed there. Hey, look at this, everybody. I just got a tip from Alex Hunt. Alex Hunt just gave me a tip on... He did. He literally did send me $10.45, look, for a tip because of the ad. That was brilliant. That was brilliant. I can't believe he did that. Look, let me show you. I'll share with you. Over on YouTube, TikTok, you want to come and see this, right? This is really funny. Let me share the screen. Look at this. Look, this is what Alex just did. I'm not showing anything here that you can't. No, we're all good. All right, here we go. Look. Alex Hunt sent me $10.45. Brilliant. Via PayPal. Thank you very much indeed. And I tell you what, 10 out of 10 for resourcefulness, for finding out my PayPal. That was very, very resourceful of you. Very, very good. It's all advertised. All my links and stuff is all below the description. I like when people actually go and check that stuff out. So obviously you did that and sorted it out. So brilliant. Really, really good. Fantastic. We like that. It's good. All right. So thank you ever so much for that. I was only joking, you know. I was giving it to you. And when I said you had to give me a tip, $1 would have done. But anyway, I appreciate it. LOL. Lucky guess, Alex. No, it's not a lucky guess, because if you go below, all my videos, all my information for everything is there. On every single video, it's there. And Alex, being a website guy, tech guy, just did his due diligence and found that out for himself. And a lot of people don't even realize that all these information for so many things are below every one of the videos. They're just there. All a BitTorrent new BTT. All in BitTorrent new. Martyn Hibner. How is Martyn Hibner? Let's make Martyn Hibner feel welcome. Over here on YouTube. If you're over there on TikTok, jump into YouTube. The link's in the profile. You can be part of the main show. I'm here. Mike says, I am here. Let me share with you the studio. Look, this is the studio. This is what you're missing. Over on TikTokers. From now on, I'm going to call TikTok TikTokers. I don't know why. Just said that. It just felt right at the time. So I'm here. Everybody, Mike's here. Mike, whose show is it? Whose show is it, Mike? Tell everybody whose show it is. You just missed a birthday. You just missed a special birthday. Martin, does Robinhood work in Sweden or just the US? Just the US at the moment. Just the US at the moment. Are you going to gamble on Super Bowl crypto ads? No. No, I am not. No, I am not. I don't gamble. I invest. I never gamble. I don't like it. It doesn't make me feel good. Hello all capitals, Mike. Hey, you missed something really, really cool earlier, by the way. You missed something very, very cool. This is something that Alex, our website man, our sponsor did for me. You are going to love this. You ready? I'm going to show everybody again. This is me floating around in space. Look, I am into Virgin Galactic, so he thought he'd make me a spaceman. Look, this is his website, and when you get an error page, you get me, the day trader, floating in space. I am now officially famous on Alex's website. I absolutely love that. Absolutely brilliant. Nice one. All right, back to the trades again right now. Looking at these things here. Once it goes global, it will be as much as Coinbase. Yes, it's your show, Martin. Hello, all capitals. Once it goes global, it'll be as much as Coinbase. Hang on, Tim. Let me scroll back and look at your first comment. What was your first comment? Timothy Adams. I'm scrolling back and I can't see what it is. Oh, BitTorrent. Yes, BitTorrent. There we go. I think that's what you're referring to. Is eToro good? eToro, yes, I use eToro. Here is my eToro account. And if you set up an account with eToro, they pay me $40. At least they're supposed to. Alex said when you send your referral code, they delete it. They take it out. Because basically, the idea is I'm going to give you back some money. That's the idea. That's the idea. But unfortunately, they've not done it so far. But you never know. If you go to the all links button, it's all there for you. If it works, it works. But yeah, the idea is I want to give you about Robinhood. Yes, I want to give you some money back if they give me some. That's the idea. But I've not been able to yet because they've never actually paid me. It's been a bit of a disaster. But anyway, Timothy Adams, Robinhood. Yes, I totally agree with that. No, Robinhood will be worth as much as Coinbase once it goes global. It's going to go global. I can't wait for that because there's so many members here that I'm going to give free stocks to because everybody wants Robinhood. And when it goes global, which it will, we'll be giving everybody free stocks because we've got a lot of people here from Europe. We got Sweden, we got Denmark, we got Germany, we got England, we got Australia, we got Japan and China, and we've got Abdullah from Saudi Arabia. So I want to give Abdullah, not that Abdullah needs a couple of free shares, but I'm sure he'll take it. Bought more shares on Ford. Ooh. Be right back, Martin. Time to go home. Yay. Ace Angelo. We're live every morning for the opening and closing. You can go to this video and rewind it, and the happy birthday will be there forever. All right? Let me give you the link to this video. Before you run, here is the link to this video, so you have it forever. And you can fast forward to the happy birthday, and you will have it. Here it is. There's the link to you. And thanks ever so much for becoming a member. As you go on in time, your benefits and bonuses will go up and up and up and up. And thank you ever so much for becoming a member. Our new member today, Ace Angelo. Don't forget on Friday, it's the big giveaway. Every Friday morning, we do the giveaway. Every Friday morning. And when I get to 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away $1,000 live on the show. Oh, yes, I am. So how cool is that going to be? But only to my members on YouTube. So if you're watching on TikTok right now and you want to be part of that, you've got to be on YouTube, all right? YouTube is where it's at. I can't share links on TikTok. You're just watching on my phone, all right? I made an account. Did you get something? No, not yet. Not yet. All righty, Martin. Thanks. You're very, very welcome. Yeah, so watch out. We're gaining 15 subscribers a day, every day on YouTube. So let's see if we've gained any more today. Well, not today, in the last 10 minutes, because I checked 10 minutes ago. Let's have a quick look. Here we go. And when it gets to 100,000, we're going to 2,104. No, yeah, we started the show at 2,102, so we gained 2 today in this show. We've gained about 15 since this morning. So when we get to 100,000, and it's going up faster and faster every day, that's what I'm going to do. So tell your friends, and then as soon as it gets there, it'll happen. I'm setting up, maybe that's why. Maybe you haven't funded it yet. But thanks for using my referral link. Good luck to you. I hope that works. Brilliant. Abdullah Azuki. That seems risky. Ford is 35% of my portfolio. Yes, I love risk, love Ford. I'm the very opposite. I like the Ford cars. I've owned lots of Ford, but they are a backward thinking company. They are reluctantly dragging their feet on going into EVs. You might go, oh yeah, they're producing loads of EVs, they're putting loads of money. They can't be fully committed to EVs, because at the same time, they're pushing their brand new gas vehicles. They do not understand the future. They do not understand that the whole world is going EV. And for that very reason, I cannot invest in a backward thinking company. And I also can't back a company that morally can have you come through their doors and push on you, and they are, because I know lots of Ford dealers and I know lots of Ford owners of garages that sell Fords. They're pushing their gas cars because they know it's going to come to an end, and getting you to pay a $7 super chat. Sorry, I'm just reading Bill's comment. They're getting you to get a 7-year finance deal on a gas car, when in 7 years' time, when you still owe money on your gas car and it's worth nothing. Morally, that is terrible. In my book, that is immorally incorrect. You should not be pushing gas cars now and focusing on that when you're also doing EVs. Because if you get someone to sign up on a 7-year lease, knowing in 7 years that car's going to be worth nothing, and they owe more money than the car's worth, that's wrong. In my book, that's wrong. It's greedy, and it's why I love Elon Musk, who just wants to do good for the world, and Ford only want to do right by themselves. So for that reason, and that reason alone, I will not invest in Ford. We've got a super chat. I think EV is a waste. It takes hours to charge, and you always need to look for an EV charger when traveling. Okay, let me explain, Abdullah, why I think you're wrong, and then I'm going to look at Bill. Bill's just given me a super chat. Flying the drone in my living room. Did you send me a message, did you? You got my attention with a super chat. Hang on. Look at this, folks. I'll come back to Abdullah in a second. If you do me a super chat, because I get so many comments, your name will get featured, and I will jump straight to your comment. So here we go. This is for Bill. Look at this. He's flying his drone in his living room. Look at this. Hang on. Look at that. He's flying his drone in his front living room. How cool. He's got a Mavic, look. A DJI Mavic. How cool is that? Thank you, Bill. Oh, it just went right over his head. Straight into the camera. Love it. Thank you ever so much for the super chat. Brilliant. I'll always promote you when you do that. Anyway, when is Hood going global? LO, I missed if answered. I don't know. They've not given any information. And let's be honest. It's Vlad Tenev is not very good at bringing out information. So let me have a heated debate now with Abdullah. This is what Abdullah says, and I'm going to give an answer now, which I believe is a good answer. Abdullah says, I think EV is a waste. It takes hours to charge, and you always need to look at an EV charger when you're traveling. Okay, here is my answer to that. First of all, there are EVs now that do 500 miles per gallon, 500 miles per range. How many people drive 500 miles in one go? Hardly anyone. If you have a gas car, what do? You top it up every week with gas or whatever. With an EV, what do? You charge it every night at home, and if you're buying an EV and you're Abdullah and you've got some money, you've probably got a garage and you can plug it in your garage or outside your house, whatever. Easy. So every day it starts full. You should never need to look for an EV charger. Number one, you won't need to, because you'll be fully charged every morning. And if you buy a good one that does 500 miles and they're getting more and more that doing that, why would you ever need to find an EV charger? That's number one. Number two, the car now, if you buy a Tesla, it can be a battery backup and a generator for your house. It can power your house. You can reverse the power from the car into the house in a power outage. What gas car can do that? 3, the gas car is going to be worth nothing in 10 years' time. The EV will get more and more valuable because it's constantly updated. It's software. It's always about improvements. Number 4, maintenance. Maintenance is hardly anything. On an EV car, it's just changing tires. There are hardly any moving parts. And number 5, it's great for the environment. Number 6, in time when everybody switches onto it, we'll have more solar, more wind, more hydro powering all these cars for free. And probably 7, in a few years' time, we're going to have EV cars that power themselves because they're going to have they'll be made of solar. So as Elon Musk said to a conference full of Arabs who invest, who own oil, and I get it, he said it's coming to an end. Absolutely. Oil will still make plastic. Oil will still make all the things that oil goes into. And oil goes into a lot of things. But EVs will replace electric 100%. So all the arguments of range, efficiency, and so on and so forth are completely irrelevant. It's not correct. It's not true. And in fact, as Tesla was starting to build and grow, Ford, who are now selling EVs, were trying to tell everybody that EVs are a waste of time and don't ever do it. But now they've been forced to do it. So there you go. That's my argument. And it's all factual, not an opinion. Let me read Abdullah's response. I disagree with it being good for the environment because just think of how many carbon emissions is being used to create these cars. Well, first of all, Elon Musk's biggest business has not yet come to fruition. His biggest business is not cars. His biggest business is solar and his batteries. His mega factories are powered by solar. Other businesses are not powered by solar or wind. They're powered by gas farms. So Elon Musk is already producing cleaner cars and manufacturing them, but by the sheer fact, his factories are coated with solar panels and they're getting more and more and more. And they go into solar batteries, mega walls when they're off air, when the sun goes down, to power during the night. So first of all, that electric cars will be and can be and will improve to be made cleaner than any other car. Number 2, Tesla, just next to the Tesla mega factory in Austin, an ex-employee of Tesla now runs a factory which takes the batteries out of the Teslas and recycles them and reuses them. Second. Thirdly, in the future, we won't even have batteries that need charging. This is what will happen. All the gas companies, all the oil giants that have their gas stations with their gas in the ground, which go into the tanks, they will replace all of those because nobody will buy gas. That will finish. They will replace all of those with batteries. And what you'll do is you will drive into a garage. A machine will lift up, will go under your car, will pull the battery out and replace it with a battery that's already charged, that the gas station have powered up for you, and you'll pay them for that privilege. So the gas stations won't go out of business. They will just provide power, and all of that will be powered by solar, wind, and so on and so forth. So that's my debate with Abdullah, and this is the most wonderful debate that I'm having here because I am having it with a gentleman from Saudi Arabia who's into oil. We are having that. I feel privileged to have this conversation with Abdullah. And Abdullah, if you'd like to further come into the conversation, you are. You can actually phone in. You can have a video conversation with me in the interview screen. I have an interview screen here. Look, I shall bring it up. Look now, I'll show you. I'll be in the right-hand screen, and you'll be in here, and you could be in here. And me and you can have a conversation, and you can tell me if I'm right, if I'm wrong, and you can share your opinion with the world. And I would love you to do so, because I would love you to tell me I'm wrong, and I'd love to be proved wrong, because then I'd learn something. I want you to tell me why you think EVs are a waste of time and gas will continue. Personally, I don't. I think people who are in oil want to keep it going because it benefits them. Doesn't benefit anyone else though. It doesn't benefit the environment, and it doesn't benefit the people who are going to buy the EVs. I don't feel that. Martyn is destroying you with facts. I drop. Over in the Netherlands. In the Netherlands, they have a whole fleet now of taxis that are all solar. In London, we are starting to put charging in the roads, that charge the cars in the roads. We will summon a car in the future that will auto-drive us everywhere. Absolutely. Elon Musk is having that this year. This year, you'll be fully automated with a Tesla. This year, there will be fully autonomous cars. This year. And why they're putting the price up of Tesla, and rightly so, is because the car will become a second home. It'll become your office. You'll get in your car, you will say, drive me to work, and it will drive you to work while you sit in the back and do your work. Steering wheels are already being phased out of Teslas. They're already building that into the future. There will be no steering wheel. So anyone who wants to tell me that gas is the future, I would like you to tell me why you think it is. And I am honoured that we have Abdullah here. And Abdullah, you've gone quiet now. Please do respond. Do come back. I'd like to know, because if I am wrong, I would like you to tell me where I've gone wrong. Cornwall has good lithium deposits. Okay, let's have a look. You can call in, you know. You could call in and be on the call. Any of my members who want to be in on this debate can call in and join in for this debate. We've got a great audience right now. We're building up in numbers. This is brilliant. Yes, I think EV will be around and they will be popular. But gas vehicles, I can't see going anywhere with how much demand there is. It'll be 50% EV and 50% gas. Hang on a minute. I'd love you to call in. If there is 50% of EVs and 50% gas, let's just picture this scene, right? This is wonderful. I am honoured to be talking to a oil man and a man from Saudi Arabia, a very wealthy investor. This is wonderful, and I love this opportunity, right? If we have 50%, and this is what you're saying, 50% oil, 50% EV. Okay. So every other house, let's just say, for argument's sake, every other house is a gas car, an EV, a gas car, an EV, all down the street. Okay? And I'm the EV guy. And I live next door to the gas guy. The gas guy goes out and buys the very best gas car he can. I go out and buy the very best EV I can. The gas car plummets in value, down like that, down like a stone. Why? Because its depreciation is higher, because it's not of the future. His maintenance continues and goes up because as less people have gas, you've now said 50% are going to be gas, so the repair bills for gas cars is going to triple. Okay, the price of fuel is going to triple because no one's buying, half the people are buying gas, so the price will go up because people who are making oil are going to be losing money, so the price will go up because it'll be more rare. Okay, they'll produce less. So the guy with the gas car is now paying 10 times what the electric guy's paying. The electric guy by now isn't paying anything because his solar panels on his roof, the solar that comes through his electric is charging his car for free, so he doesn't pay anything. He lives next door to the gas guy, and the gas guy goes, I just spent $100 to fill my car up. The price has gone up. And the EV guy goes, well, mine's free. Then the gas guy goes, I've just come back from the garage, and I've had to have an oil change, filter change, repair the clutch, repair the gearbox. And the guy says, well, I didn't have any of that cost. Then he says, oh, the government, because they want to get rid of it, because all governments do, they're now taxing me, as Nudge It has just mentioned, Nudge It, Budget, Move It has just mentioned. So he's going, they're now taxing me $1,000 to drive into London, and the electric car guys goes, well, they don't charge me anything, it's free. How long do you think it is before the rich guy with his brand new Ferrari next door says, I'm going to sell my car, but nobody wants to buy it because 50% have bought the EVs? That was your argument to me. Your argument was 50% will have gas and 50% will have EVs. And I just painted the picture. If 50% have EVs and 50% have gas, would that not be what would happen? I bet my house on it that's what would happen. Because I would not want to be stuck with a gas car which costs me money and loses value. So that's what I think. Abdullah's response is, I just know right now, to this day, demand in gas vehicles is high. You are correct. But this show is about giving opinion and advice and support for the future, so we all go and improve our lives, improve our wealth, and become a better world. I can't sit here and tell people they should invest in a gas car which is going to lose money and no one wants to buy it. I can't say someone should get a gas car and be stuck with high finance, because that's not right. The only reason why I'd want to say that is because I own shares in oil. And I don't. So I can't. So there is my point. I don't see any. I cannot invest in anything which I know is about to die. Would anyone today go out and buy a VHS video recorder? Would anyone go out today and buy a CD player? Would anyone go out today? No one. No one. Because you'd be stuck with it. Anyway. I talked to a dealer and he says his vehicles are sold before they can be bought into the lot. You're absolutely correct. Not because they're gas, because there are hardly any cars available. I bought a gas car 4 years ago, a gas car for $37,000. Brand new car in America, right? I bought it. I sold it last year for virtually the same price I bought it for 3 years earlier. Why? Because gas cars are so great? They're worth so much money? Leo, you all right? I can hear banging going on. I think someone's getting rid of ice outside the house. So I sold the car for what I paid for it 3 years later. Why? Because the demand is high and there are no cars. People are starting to not produce gas cars anymore. It was my best financial investment I've ever made. I sold my car 3 years later for what I paid for it 3 years earlier. People are buying it because it's all they know. If all the lemmings go off the cliff, are we all going to follow them? And I'm afraid that gas car owners, gas car manufacturers, and gas car garages, all they want to do is buy and sell gas cars. Does that make it right just because they're all doing it? No. It makes them lemons walking off a cliff. And I'm sorry, I'm not going to be a lemon walking off a cliff just because it's good for me right now. Because it won't be tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'll fall off the cliff and go, bloody hell, I wish I hadn't done that. But you're absolutely right. Right now, dealers are selling as fast as they can. Lots of people do things they shouldn't be doing. Doesn't make it the best thing, in my opinion. I would love to get an EV van, but they're stupidly expensive at the moment. As you know, Martin, correct. Being an act, we travel hundreds of miles in one day. Currently not feasible. Correct. You're absolutely right. Spot on. You're absolutely right. But just know, there are EV vans now that do 500 miles ranges, which is greater than a gas car. They are out. You can't get hold of them now because of the demand and supply, but they are out. This is what I have done. I sold my car, and now we're sharing a car. It's not as convenient. I will not buy another gas car. That's bad investment. That's a bad advice to anyone. I would be stupid to do it. I will borrow and share cars right now. I'm using my wife's car, and that's what I'm doing. And I'll catch a bus, I'll get on a train, and I will buy an EV when I need one, when the prices come down. I'm not going to be locked into a bad deal. And you are making a bad deal right now if you lump yourself in with a gas car. I understand right now, though, you may have no choice because you can't get anything else. But we're talking about the future. We're not talking about this precise moment for individual people. Everyone's got a different situation, right? What happens when your EV breaks down? What will the cost be on that? Far less long term than the gas car. Because as now gas is 50% is EV. First of all, there's less maintenance on an electric car. Far less. And as the car gets older, it gets smarter. A gas car rots away until it falls apart. The electric car will get smarter and smarter and smarter. All right? And there's less maintenance to do on an electric car anyway. And as more EVs pop up and more EV garages pop up, it'll be cheaper to actually repair them. The only bad thing is you will have to keep buying the newest EV car, just like cell phones. The older your phone, the worse it is. No, that's not true, Ryan, because the biggest part of the car is the software. There are the first Teslas, the Tesla Model S, which is better today than it was 10 years ago. Because they keep updating the software and it actually increases the range. So the car will actually get better. What gas car can you buy today that is better tomorrow? The moment you drive it off the lot, it's worse. It's a bit older, it's partly worn out, it's old technology already. An electric car, especially a Tesla, not a Ford, a Tesla becomes smarter and smarter every day you own it. Yes, Ryan, I agree. A 10-year-old gas vehicle can still keep running a while, just compared to a Tesla to an iPhone. An iPhone 10, 10 years old won't work, meaning you need to keep buying the same. No, that's not, no. That's not the case at all. That's not the case at all. The EV will become smarter as it grows older. Like your computer constantly updates. I've got a Mac sitting here, which is a 2013 Mac, and that works as good as it did in 2013. It's constantly improving. My PC from 2013 would be clunky and would take 20 minutes to start it. My Mac Pro works as well as it did in 2013, in fact better, because the software's better. Look at a car the same way. Timothy, 20,000, what's 20,000? LOL, you said 20,000. What was that response to? You said 20,000, 20K, LOL. What is that? But technically, can only do so many software updates until storage is full. Hey? No. A Tesla is over-the-air updates. You don't even have to do it. It does it over the air. And I have actually studied how they do that. Right? When there is an update to your Tesla, it goes into the brain of your car, replaces the software, removes it and replaces it. It doesn't need to be a bigger technology, a bigger update. In fact, the updates will get smaller because you get more efficient. The software gets more efficient. To repair an EV, it was in the news, $20,000. Well, it depends what happens to it, I suppose. If you set fire to it, probably costs $50,000. I don't know. But, I mean, if you get a gas car and set fire to it, it'll cost you a new one. I don't know. It depends what it is. But pound for pound, it's cheaper to repair an EV. Anyway, a Fiat e-Ducato, it's £56,000, range 224 miles, same size as I drive now. Yep, I agree. That's a Fiat. We're not talking about Fiats. We're not talking about Fords. We're talking about the pioneers. We're talking about Teslas. I know it doesn't exist. There's not a van in England yet you can buy. I know that. But it's coming. It already exists. Currently, the infrastructure is not available for me to charge up when I get to venues. No, I get that. I get that. But we're talking about this moment in time. You're talking about investing in a car for the future. You've got a vehicle now. Stick with it. Don't replace it. Borrow one. Do whatever you can to get by. And the future is here. It just hasn't landed on your lap yet. That doesn't mean it's not here. Yes, my buddy had Tesla. Took 3 to 4 months to get a new bumper and cost $7,000. A bumper. Well, I can tell you there are gas cars that cost that. But I mean, we're not talking about physical damage. If you physically smash your car up, that's a different ball game. You know, if you buy a Rolls Royce and you scratch it, it's $1 million. You know, we're not talking about physical damage. We're talking about wear and tear, the overall complexity of the thing. We're not talking about individuals. I ripped my seat and my seat's expensive. Well, if you buy a Ferrari and rip the seat, you've got to get a mortgage. Also, battery life will decrease over time. The more you charge it, the more the battery life dies. In Teslas, and we're now talking after 5 years, I think you're above 85%. So it actually makes hardly any difference at all. As the software gets more efficient, the batteries will become more intelligent. And there are now programs in Tesla where you can recycle the battery as well. What car doesn't? How many if you buy a gas car, is it got the same horsepower 10 years later? No. The compression goes down. It's exactly the same. I volunteered to Tesla's first long-range EV van in the Yes. All right. I'll make sure when Elon Musk comes on my show to mention my mate, Believer Bubble, wants the Tesla's first long-range EV van in the UK. I'll make sure you get it. I know it's not here, but I want one now. So do I. I want a rocket and go to Mars as well. I want it now. I can go to a scrapyard same day and buy a bumper for $100. Yeah, you can. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. I'm not going to win the argument on that one. Why not get in on the ground floor with the investments? Absolutely. Why not get in on the ground floor with the investments? There you go. Be a pioneer. Be part of it. Be the future. Look forward. Don't look backwards. No doubt EV will win the future, but gas cars will still be around in the future. Totally agree with everything you have said about EVs. Definitely a good investment. Up 5.42. I love the way Timothy Adams drops in a comment, which is nothing to do with what we've just been talking about, and I'm supposed to know what is up 5.42. What is up 5.42? Can someone tell me? Oh, I see. I bet he's doing the day trader of the day. He's thinking, hang on a minute, why has he done the day trader of the day? Okay, all right, here we go. That was as subtle as a brick. That was as subtle as a brick, my friend. So I will give you that one. I agree with Ryan. End of debate. Oh, Drillian has been sat in the background the entire time crying his eyes out. All right, here we go. Day trader of the day. Let's find out who the winner is. Okay, skip the ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds. Let's do it right now. Here we go. Day trader of the day. Good vibes. Hey, Timothy, we always love having you in the show. I love the way you drop in your comments and jokes. We're absolutely awesome. Right. Here we go. Let's do the day trader of the day. Go to your live portfolio. Go to your live position. Do not share your scores until I post the timer. I'm up 1.62. Everybody refresh your screen. You might be behind. Some of you are behind. Want to make sure that everybody is in on this bit of fun. 1.62%. I'm going to give you the timer right now. Are you ready? Here we go. Timer right now. Bring it up on the screen now. You got 1 minute to post. Abdullah Azuki, a little known secret. Gaffer tape will repair nearly everything, and it's about €5 a roll. There you go. Everything I've said was rubbish. All you need is gaffer tape. Gaffer tape will fix everything. He's absolutely right. He's absolutely spot on. Totally agree with that. Right. Drillian's laughing. Timothy Adams goes into the lead. 5.42. Up 4.56. Oh! And Bill goes up to 8.62. Dave Mottram is up 6.63. And WD-40. Oh, and Abdullah comes and steals the crown. He's up 18.22. We absolutely love that. Absolutely great. And Ryan's up 0.52. There we go. Let's blow the horn. There we go. Look at that. Abdullah, heavy on snap. There we go. we may disagree when it comes to gas cars, and I love Abdullah for being here. He's here nearly every day. He's a great asset to our channel on YouTube. Over there on TikTok, you got to come and join us on YouTube. We got Abdullah in the chat. He's actually from Saudi Arabia. He's a full-on sheik. He invests in huge trades. He's one of our star members. He's not yet become a member. I don't why. Can everybody in the chat invite Abdullah to become a member? Don't we all think that Abdullah should be a member of the show? He's the biggest trader here. He's right up there with Muzanella. I reckon he's the richest man in the chat. What do you reckon? Let's all invite Abdullah to become a member. I'm gonna give him the link, and I want every single person in the chat to invite him to become a member. Let's see if Abdullah clicks on. Let's see if he stumps up $3 a month. Let's see if he becomes a member, and then we can sing him happy birthday on his birthday and get all the secret videos and all the other stuff as well. Congratulations, Abdullah. All right, I think Elon Musk is the richest man. Yeah, Elon Musk is already a member of the channel. He can't join twice. Right, join the best channel on YouTube, Abdullah. Come on there. Dr. Smith's in the house. Hey, love it. Let me give a big thank you to Abdullah for sharing his trades. There we go. He's not a member yet. He doesn't get all the benefits and perks, but let's see if he does. Let's see if he does. It'll be our very first sheik, our very first gentleman from Saudi Arabia, huge professional trader, the Saudi boys, to be a member of the Day Trader. Let's see if he does it. All right, okay, let's come and join Abdullah. There, everyone, there we go. With 18.22 win rate. It's amazing. Mr. Abdullah must feature live on the show. Yes, he must. He must. We've invited him to do it. Let's give him a big round of applause. Have you got a mug yet? No, he hasn't. He hasn't. Oh, have you made my mug yet? It's being finished today. You'll have it in... I will send you the link tomorrow, Saturday. You'll have it tomorrow, okay? Okay, fantastic. Let me give a big round of applause. Hang on a minute. I've pressed the wrong button. Let me do it. Where has it gone? Sound effects? No, not... Is it sound effects? I can't even remember. Timers. That's the one. Here we go. No, wrong one. I'm losing the plot today. I'm losing the plot. Here we go. A big round of applause. There we go. All right. Membership. What you want the link? Is he going to join? Let's see what he does. Let's see what he does. There is the link. Membership. There it is. There's bronze, silver, gold, and sponsor. Now let's see what he does. Let's see what he does. He's asked for the membership. Is he going to be a bronze member and join the happy throng of the bronzes? Is he going to be a silver member up there with about 20% of you? Or is he going to be up there with Musen as a gold? Or is he going to be a sponsor and will promote his business? We'll find out in a second. He's just asked for membership. So let's see what happens. There is the link in the chat. Let's see what he does. Dr. Nathan Smith is up 0.37. Brilliant. Real Arabs don't trade stocks. They are minted by nature. Yeah. And everybody wants him to be on the show. Abdullah Azuki. I think it'd be great if we had Abdullah on the show. Who wants to see Abdullah on the show? We all do. We all do. Let's bring in the interview screen. This is the interview screen. Abdullah would be in here. He can call in, be live on the show. Who would like Abdullah to be on the show? I would. I absolutely would love it if Abdullah joins on the show. Over on TikTok, we got an army of people joining us. How are you doing on TikTok? You're missing all the fun. Let me show you what you're missing, right? This is what you're missing. We're over here on YouTube. This is my YouTube screens. This is the studio back here. There you go. And there you go. This is my TikTok army. So there we go. Come on, Abdullah, call in. I need my computer phone. Computer phone, no work. Does it not? I thought it worked on a phone. It works on your phone. You just got to use the browser. It absolutely does. You can call in on your phone, very easy, because every phone's got a camera and a microphone. So all you got to do is put this link here into your browser, into your phone. You can call in, and you can become a member on your phone. You just need to go into the browser. But anyway, Abdullah on screen, 100%, totally. Everybody wants him to be here. We all do. What a great guest it would be, wouldn't it? But the best guest ever. We had Derek. Sorry, we had Greg Dickerson. Where would Derek come from? Greg Dickerson came on the show, and we had an amazing afternoon with him, our biggest YouTuber so far. And we would love to have Abdullah. Wouldn't that be amazing? Anyway, come on, Abdullah. Mike's saying it. Call Abdullah. Come on, Abdullah on the show. Everybody wants him on. Look, there we go. Right, nudge it, budget, move it. I'll get your mug out to you. Your information for you to go and order that. I'll send you the link and everything you need later on. Right, I think we've pretty much come to the end of the show, right? I don't think Abdullah's going to call in, and I don't think he's going to become a member. Never mind. Never mind. Let's see what happens. We'll see what happens. Anyway, that's it until Monday. I'll be back with you on Monday. We've got a great day on Monday, of course. It is the opening bell on Monday. We've got a lot of... Oh, in fact, let me just have a quick look down here and see what we ended up with. 40,000, which is great. Meta, up today. This is good. Friday sell-off, and it went up. Friday, Rivian is up. It's going to be a great week next week. It's going to be a great week next week. Lucid's up. Amazon is up. Tesla is up. I didn't trade it, but I will next week. Virgin Galactic is up. We're not $9 now. Gores Guggenheim up as well today, 1.27. Hood had a great day, up nearly 8%, 7.28 to be precise. Everything today is great. Ethereum, Bitcoin, looking great. Looking great, everybody. Right, let's see if we've got any more subscribers during the show. Let's have a look. 2,104. No, we didn't move. We got a couple at the beginning, and then it held. Let's see how busy the channel's getting. Look at all these views now. Look at this. We're getting some viral videos now on the shorts. Go and check them all out. Over on TikTok, thanks for joining us. You've been wonderful as always. The batteries won't last, insanely expensive to replace. That's Gramp Tic Tac over there. And we've got the debate continuing now on TikTok. What's this chat about? Well, you need to come onto YouTube and you'd know. I've been inviting you all the way through, but you need to come and join us on YouTube. Chris Ridgway joined. How are you, Chris Ridgway? Love to have you here. We're just about finishing the show now, though, so we've got to go. Anyway, that's it from me. I look forward to seeing you all back on Monday. Thanks for being here. Alex, I love, by the way, the tip you sent me. Thanks ever so much. Thank you ever so much as well for the that amazing me in space as Virgin Galactic. I love that. Keep surprising me with things like that, and you might keep getting free sponsorship. That was good. By the way, if anybody wants to sponsor me who doesn't want to pay, just send me nice stuff like that, and I'll do it. So you get your business promoted for free just by sending me nice stuff. All right, there we go. I need some beer. Have we got anybody out there that has beer? I'll sponsor you. You can sponsor me for free if you send me some beer. Right, have a great weekend. That's from Nudge It, Budget, Move It, our sponsor. Thank you ever so much for joining us. Peace. Timothy Adams. He's a rock and roll. I love his picture there. He's always here, always good. Dave Mottram. Dave Mottram has not been very well. We welcome Dave Mottram back. Everybody, Dave Mottram has not been very well. And I'll tell you something, a couple of the traders this morning said, it's so funny that Dave's not here. We had a really quiet morning and everybody thought Dave Mottram would be upset because when we did the giveaway, everybody thought it was going to be quiet. And just as we were building up, everybody came in. So it wasn't quite as busy. It wasn't quite as quiet as you all thought it was. And we thought Dave Mottram was going to be, upset. But it got busy in the end. Anyway, have a good weekend. Take care of yourselves. Be good. Be safe. Keep warm. It's freezing cold here in Texas. And I look forward to seeing you all back next week for the opening bell. Take care of yourselves. Are you saying it? And each other. Surprise! From now and again, I'm going to do that, and I'm going to see you still in the chat. Yeah, surprise. Take care. Bye-bye.